पाएंगी सजी जिंदगी मगर आज़ादी दे मुझे इश्क बि कुर्बान। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मुझे नालो इम्तियाज़ आहे। टीचर नालो सर सदाम हुसैन कुमार आहे ऐं 6वीं क्लास में पढ़ंदो आहियां। My dear friends, I begin with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most kind and merciful. Hello, my dear friends, my honorable teachers, my respectable parents, and my wonderful guests. Today we are together here, you know. Today our beloved land freedom day. Yes, my dear. Today is 14 August day. This day we get freedom from Hindustan, and we advise separate our nation, our forefathers struggled. Then we are happy here, you know. Happy here, you know. This day everyone Pakistani change our soul of heart has like flowers and all things forget just